Got Amtrak flying through here. 355, 339. Shows how much power they put in these trains. So you fly through here like that. That's a pretty decent grade coming up through here. Stalls many a train on this grade here at Barnsville, Maryland. So not as high elevation, but it's a longer grade because it's one shot versus several gradual, and they don't have the tunnels on this run. So y'all have a great rest of the day.